Hi! To draw on photos and pictures on the Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to open Gallery on the phone and find a photo on which you want to draw something. For example, this one. Now you need to tap this pen icon on the bottom of the display and choose this emoji icon. And after that, make sure that this word draw lights up orange. And after that, you can use this basic pen, or you can switch to highlighter. You can try to use pattern pen and eraser. So just tap on the pen you want to use and draw something on the picture. Let's try it with this one, highlighter. And as you can see, it just got this lines, basically like a highlighter. Let's erase this one and let's switch to this mosaic pen, which will look like that. Now if you want to save it, just tap this save button, and here you can choose to save over original, but if you want to keep original, you need to tap more options, so those dots, and choose to save copy like that. And another cool thing we got here is sketch to image feature. So this is basically Galaxy AI feature. So to find it, go in settings and in here choose Galaxy AI tab. Then scroll till photo assist and make sure that you can see the status on. And then you can go in sketch to image and find out how to use it. So basically, we need to go in our gallery, or you can use your notes app, something like that. Here, you need to tap on those stars and choose sketch to image. Now we need to draw something we wanna sketch to image. For example, let's try to draw a house. And now let's tap generate. And we are simply waiting till AI will do its work. And this is the result. So it just turned out quite good. This was an original, and this is sketch to image. So you can save it by tapping here, and this is how it looks now. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.